Hi, hello and welcome back to our channel T3G Facts. In today's video, we are going to see the unboxing and review of the latest version of the Mac Mini, Apple's small but mighty desktop computer. So my son always loves unboxing any package. Usually he is the one who will be unboxing. Today is also unboxing the Mac Mini. He's doing pretty good job. Okay, let's talk about the specifications of this Mac Mini. The base model features an Apple M2 chip with an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, 8 GB of unified memory and 256 GB of SSD storage. The high-end model comes with the same M2 chip but with a 16-core GPU and 16 GB of unified memory and up to 2 TB of SSD storage. Quite impressive. The M2 chip is a game changer in terms of performance, making the Mac Mini one of the fastest desktop computers in the market. So, talking about the design and build quality of the Mac Mini, the latest version, as you can see here, it comes in a sleek and modern design that is identical to its predecessor. The device is small and compact, measuring just 7.7 inches on all sides, which makes it perfect for people who have limited desk space. Along with the computer, the package comes with the user manual, an Apple sticker and the power cable. Using the Mac Mini is an absolute joy. The M2 chip allows for seamless multitasking and applications load incredibly quickly. The Mac OS Big SUR operating system is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. The device is also incredibly quiet, even when under heavy workloads, which is a huge plus for those who work in quiet environments. Mac Mini is packed with a ton of ports, including 2 USB-A ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI 2 port, a Gigabit Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. This makes it incredibly easy to connect all your peripherals and accessories such as external hard drives, monitors, and many more. Overall, the Mac Mini is an excellent desktop computer that offers top-of-the-line performance in a small and a compact form factor. The M2 chip is a game changer and makes using the device an absolute pleasure. If you are looking for a device that offers the best performance and a great user experience, the Mac Mini is definitely worth the investment. For more informative videos, keep watching T3G Facts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.